always come back.
Hey guys, since everyone liked that last video, we decided to get our hands on a nice TV. I got a new friend here, and we're gonna help on how to repair the TV, not get the Wi-Fi connected, because that didn't work the last time. So let's start it out. We're good.
Alright, so my friend here tried to demonstrate how to fix this TV. So I'm going to show you guys a little tutorial on how to reboot this thing.
Okay, apparently one of these guys messed up the internals, so I'm going to try to get in there with this.
Hey guys, since we clearly are having trouble helping out, or having trouble with this TV getting rebooted and working again, Mother Nature's going to help out. So let's do this.
Alright, so clearly Mother Nature and mechanical tools don't work, so we're going to be using some music to destroy this thing. Let's go. That's how you do it.
Okay, so nothing else has been working, so this time we're going to try some gravity.
I think there's some repairs on this TV, and this is how you fix it. So guys, if you guys always wanted a projector in your house, your TV has multi-use. You can use this, put it on the wall. Like, it's pretty good. But this TV, no, I think it's just a junk. I don't want that anymore. I think
I always throw it back.